Welcome to another edition of the Science Chef Academy Trivia on Chemistry. I am Charles the Science Chef and I'm always excited to be with you. Today we are bringing to you a crispy fresh menu on oxidation numbers as a follow-up to our last tutorial. As always, sit down, relax and have fun. If you would like to watch more of our trivia, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Always remember to turn on the notification bell. You have just 10 seconds to pick the correct answer from the options A to D before the time elapses. So, let's play. Question 1. Consider the following reaction equation. 2NO gas plus O2 gas to give you 2NO2 gas. What is the change in the oxidation number of nitrogen? A. Plus 2 to 0. B. Plus 2 to minus 2. C. Plus 2 to plus 4. And D. Plus 4 to plus 2. The time starts now. The answer is C. Plus 2 to plus 4. Question 2. The oxidation number of X in XO4 3- is A. Plus 1, B. Plus 3, C. Plus 4, and D. Plus 5. The correct answer is D. Plus 5. Question 3. The oxidation number of nitrogen in PbNO32 is A. Plus 2, B. Plus 3, C. Plus 4, and D. Plus 5. If you chose D. Plus 5, then you're correct. Question 4. The oxidation number of sulfur is plus 4 in A. Na2S2O3, B. H2SO3, C. H2SO4, and D. SO3. The answer is B. H2SO3. Question 5. The oxidation number of iron in FeCN6 3- is A. Plus 3, B. Plus 2, C. Minus 2, and D. Minus 3. The time starts now. The answer is A. Plus 3. Question 6. What is the change in the oxidation number of manganese in the reaction represented by the following equation? MnO4- aqueous plus 8H plus aqueous plus 5 electrons to give us Mn2 plus aqueous plus 4H2O. A. Plus 3 to plus 2, B. Minus 1 to plus 2, C. Plus 5 to plus 3, and D. Plus 7 to plus 2. The time starts now. The answer is what? D. Plus 7 to plus 2. Question 7. What is the oxidation number of chromium in K2CrO4? A. Plus 1, B. Plus 2, C. Plus 4, and D. Plus 6. The correct answer is D. Plus 6. Question 8. The oxidation number of iodine in the iodate ion IO3- is A. Minus 5, B. Minus 1, C. Plus 1, and D. Plus 5. If you chose D. Plus 5, then you're correct. Question 9. An element X has an atomic number of 16. What is its likely oxidation state in its binary compounds? A. Minus 3, B. Minus 2, C. Plus 2, and D. Plus 4. The correct answer is B, -2. Question 10. What is the change in the oxidation number of iodide ion in the reaction represented by the following equation? 5I- aqueous plus 6H plus aqueous plus IO3 minus aqueous to give us 3I2 gas plus 3H2O liquid. A, -5 to +3, B, -1 to 0, C, +5 to +3, and D, -1 to +2. The correct answer is B, -1 to 0. Question 11. Consider the following equation: Cl2O72 minus aqueous plus 14H plus aqueous plus 6 electrons to give us 2Cl3 plus aqueous plus 7H2O liquid. The oxidation number of chromium changes from A, -2 to +3, B, -2 to +6, C, +6 to +3, and D, -7 to +3. Question 12. What is the oxidation number of aluminium in AlNO33? A, +1, B, +3, C, +5, and D, +6. Question 13. What is the oxidation number of phosphorus in P4O10? A, -3, B, -5, C, +5, and D, +3. Question 14. Determine the oxidation number of boron in NaBH4. A, +5, B, +3, C, +7, and D, +4. And the last question. Calculate the oxidation number of zinc in Na2ZnO2. A, 0, B, +4, C, -4, and D, +2. For a group of private online tutorial classes on any or all of physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, you can talk to us via any of our contact details showing on the screen or in the description below, and you'll be glad you did.